Getting started with the eCourtDate API. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up and test API integrations. Sign in to the eCourtDate console. Click Agencies to manage your agencies. Each agency is an isolated tenant that handles messaging for different departments, use cases, and locations. Create a staging agency. To test the API, create or use a staging agency where outbound messaging is simulated. Click Tools, create an agency. Fill out the form, keeping the region set to staging. Click Create. You'll receive an email notification once your agency is ready. Set up an API client. Once you have a staging agency, create the API client to get credentials for the API. Go to APIs, Add API. Fill out the form and select the correct default agency. Enable access to additional agencies within the same region. Generate and download the access token for use in testing tools like Postman or Insomnia. Configure the agency. Sign into the staging environment. Click on your newly created agency. Scroll down and fill out your agency information for auto setup. And click Start Setup to configure essential settings. If you already have an agency, review the checklist to ensure proper setup. Send API requests. Once your agency is set up, you can use tools like Postman or Insomnia to send API requests. Explore sample collections and code for reference. Click GitHub or Postman. Now you're ready to set up and test API integrations in the eCourtDate system.